Wall Street is on fire, but while tech swings wildly and the broader market holds its breath amid inflation fears and rate uncertainty, one sector is quietly breaking out with unstoppable momentum: defense. Trillions in global military spending are flooding in as geopolitical flashpoints ignite from Eastern Europe to the Middle East and the Indo-Pacific. Nations are racing to modernize: hypersonic weapons, AI drone swarms, unbreakable cyber defenses, loyal wingman aircraft, and the nuclear-powered submarines that form the backbone of deterrence. This isn't speculation. It's happening while the rest of the market searches for direction. If you've been waiting for high-conviction stocks that can deliver explosive growth and relative stability even if the broader indices stumble, your moment has arrived. Today, I'm revealing 3 defense plays with serious upside potential. These stocks aren't just riding the wave, they're building the weapons and systems that will define the next decade of global security. Stay locked in. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly why these 3 belong on your watch list right now. Let's dive in before the next surge hits. Leidos Holdings, LDOS. Leidos Holdings stands as a critical enabler of national security, delivering advanced solutions in intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, cybersecurity, and digital modernization for government and defense clients. The company capped an outstanding 2025 with strong momentum. In Q4 2025, Leidos reported revenue of approximately $4.2 billion, with some figures citing normalized growth of 4% after adjusting for a 6-week government shutdown and prior year calendar effects. Full year 2025 revenue reached $17.2 billion, up 3.1% year over year. Net income for the quarter was $335 million, up 19% YOY, while non-GAAP diluted EPS hit $2.76, up 16% YOY, and beating estimates. Adjusted EBITDA margin expanded impressively to 13.2% in Q4, up 160 BPS, and 14.1% for the full year, up 120 BPS, driven by program execution excellence and cost control. Key recent wins include a $2.2 billion U.S. Air Force contract for passive radar systems to enhance base defense, a $455 million Cloud One Next award, and positions on major 10-year IDIQ contracts supporting advanced engineering and prototyping. In March 2026, Leidos completed its $2.4 billion acquisition of Entrust to bolster digital security capabilities and formed a joint venture with Analogic for global security screening. The company also raised its funded backlog by 15% year over year and delivered robust cash flow from operations of $495 million in Q4 alone. With 2026 guidance calling for revenue between $17.5 billion and $17.9 billion and continued margin expansion, Leidos offers a stable yet growth-oriented play on AI-driven intelligence, cybersecurity, and government digital transformation, essential pillars as threats evolve faster than ever. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, KTOS. Kratos Defense is redefining affordable high-performance military technology through unmanned aerial systems, hypersonic testing, microwave electronics, satellite communications, and C5ISR solutions. The company delivered exceptional results in Q4 2025, with revenue surging to $345.1 million, up 21.9% year over year and reflecting 20% organic growth, comfortably beating guidance. Full year 2025 revenue reached $1.347 billion with 16.6% organic growth. Adjusted EBITDA came in at $34.1 million for the quarter, and the consolidated book-to-bill ratio hit a strong 1.3 to 1 with $438.3 million in bookings. The company ended the year with a record backlog of $1.573 billion and a massive opportunity pipeline of $13.7 billion. Kratos is riding multiple tailwinds. Hypersonic revenue is on track to double to approximately $400 million in 2026, and its turbine technologies, space/satellite, and microwave products businesses are firing strongly. The firm recently closed the acquisition of Nomad Global Communication Solutions to expand its portfolio. Management sees accelerating momentum into 2026, with full-year revenue guidance of $1.595 billion to $1.675 billion, 12.7% to 18.5% organic growth, and adjusted EBITDA of $157 to $167 million. This positions Kratos as a high-conviction play on the shift toward affordable mass and unmanned and hypersonic warfare, delivering capability at a fraction of legacy costs while maintaining rapid innovation cycles. BWX Technologies, $BWXD. BWX Technology stands as America's premier provider of nuclear components and fuel for naval propulsion, powering the Virginia and Columbia-class submarines and Ford-class carriers that form the silent backbone of U.S. deterrence. The company delivered a record 2025. In Q4, revenue reached $885.8 million, up 19% year-over-year, with full-year revenue hitting $3.198 billion, up 18%. Non-GAAP EPS came in at $1.08 for the quarter, up 17%, beating consensus, and $4.01 for the full year, up 20%. Adjusted EBITDA rose to $147.5 million in Q4 and $574.3 million for the year. The company generated $479.8 million in operating cash flow and $295.3 million in free cash flow for 2025. The standout highlight is the massive backlog expansion, ending 2025 at $7.3 billion, up a staggering 50% year-over-year, driven by multi-year naval nuclear propulsion contracts, special materials processing, and commercial nuclear awards. Key wins include a $174 million naval nuclear fuel contract, a $1.6 billion with options, high-purity depleted uranium contract for national security, and multi-billion-dollar awards supporting Virginia and Columbia-class submarines plus Ford-class carriers over the next 6 to 8 years. Strategic acquisitions like AOT and Connectrix have further strengthened capabilities in advanced manufacturing and services. As global powers expand their submarine fleets and the U.S. modernizes its nuclear navy, BWXT offers unmatched visibility, pricing power, and long-term contract stability, making it a defensive growth powerhouse in today's uncertain world. In today's volatile stock market, where broad indices face uncertainty, defense remains one of the clearest multi-year growth themes, fueled by record global spending, urgent modernization needs, and technological breakthroughs. Leidos brings high-margin stability and intelligence/cyber strength with massive backlog visibility. Kratos delivers rapid organic growth in unmanned systems, hypersonics, and the revolutionary Valkyrie Loyal Wingman program. And BWXT provides the essential nuclear propulsion foundation with explosive backlog growth and multi-year visibility.